Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the recipe of Junkberry Pie. I recently made it and it was so delicious. Unfortunately, this and the next couple videos are going to be still photos as my video recorder wasn't working 100%. Now that it's fixed though, everything will go back to normal after these few recipes. This recipe I found on Instagram and I will link her Instagram below, but I made it and it was delicious and everyone loved it. So please listen to the beautiful music and the still photos of how I made my Junkberry pie. The full recipe will be linked in the description box, and I really hope you give this a big thumbs up, and if you'd be so kind to subscribe to my channel, that would be great. Until next time, bye! A couple things I'd like to add is that I put the pie shell on a cookie sheet, and I had the cookie sheet covered with aluminum foil because, as you can see, it totally boiled over. Now, the last thing I wanted to add was that this was super delicious, coming right out of the oven warm, served with vanilla ice cream.